This video will show training and installation for SuperSand products on a standalone sanding station. The first thing you want to ensure is that your spindle is perpendicular to the table. Placing a machine square on your table, move the spindle up against the edge of the square. If you can see the top or the bottom not touching or not parallel, then you will use the tilt crank to flush the spindle. Place your assembled SuperSand head on the spindle with proper tightening. Using the ZNX axis wheels, move your head into your wood sample. If you can use a light, shine it through one end of your sanding head while you are looking at the other end. The light shining through will show you what portion of the profile is or is not hitting properly. Make small adjustments until no light is shining through. The most important part of this install is the pressure from the head to the part. Holding the part to the fence, spin the head. You should barely feel each wing brush against your sample. Keep in mind that SuperSand requires very little pressure to achieve great quality. Spin the head several times, allowing it to lightly scratch the sample to show what areas could be missing or hitting too hard. Make adjustments accordingly. You can use the pencil or graphite marking process. Once the head is set up and ready to run, lightly mark on the profile edge with a pencil, leaving visible marks. Run the sample part through twice, once in each direction. If the sanding head does not remove the marks in the profiled area, then you know what adjustments will need to be made. Do not press hard with the pencil, scarring the sample. SuperSand is a soft touch application which barely removes much material at all. Examine the sanding sample. If you see that the top portion of your profile is not sanding like the bottom, then make small adjustments based on your findings. Once you have dialed your SuperSand head in properly, save those location numbers or reset the dial indicators to 0 for this specific profile. You will only have to set each profile up once and refer back to your saved numbers when changing profiles. After you've ran your head for a little while, keep an eye on the wear of your elements. This will also let you know if any minor adjustments need to be made. Remember, these elements should last a while. To help them last, use an air hose to blow off any dust buildup in the elements whenever you are in between runs.